I wake up in the morning and the room is still dark, so I turn on the light. That's how my day starts. I like to play some music to help with the flow. I plug in the stereo and I'm ready for the show. Before I leave the house, I know what I should do. I take off the dirty clothes and I change into new. I put on the clean clothes, feeling fresh and bright. Now I'm ready for the day, everything feels right. Phrasal verbs are everywhere, they're part of what we say. They help us tell our stories in a simple, natural way. They're common and they're useful, and learning them is fun. Just take it step by step, you don't need to rush or run. Yeah, yeah. Later in the morning, plans change, they do. I have to call off a meeting that I can't go to. Then I call my teacher and have the cheek to say, let's put off the English class, let's meet another day. In the afternoon, I go walking through the door. I try on clothes at my favorite clothing store. Yes, when I get home again, the day feels almost done. I put away my new clothes, every single one. And did you know that sometimes you can move the words around? You can split a phrasal verb and still be safe and sound. You turn on the light or you turn the light on, later turn it off when the evening's almost gone. You can put away the new clothes or put the new clothes away, or put them away anytime in your day. Yeah. Phrasal verbs are everywhere, they're part of what we say. They help us tell our stories in a simple, natural way. They're common and they're useful, and learning them is fun. Just take it step by step, you don't need to rush or run. Yo, turn on the light, then plug in the stereo, feeling just right. Take off the dirty clothes, put on the clean. That's how the morning goes. Call off a meeting, put off a class, try on the clothes that give you style and sass. Put away the new things you bought today, and throw away the old ones that won't stay. Thanks for listening, hope you had a good time. Leave your like, subscribe, hit the bell if you don't mind. Thanks for being here, you make this channel grow. See you next time for another learning flow. Phrasal verbs are everywhere, they're part of what we say. They help us tell our stories in a simple, natural way. Common and they're useful, learning them is fun. Just take it step by step, you don't need to rush or run.